Welcome to ItzRafiq. So ভালে ভালে তোমালোকৰ HSLC examination হৈ গ'ল. This is the question paper of computer science of 2026 HSLC examination. First MCQ আছে 4 marks কাৰণে. First question, this protocol is for mapping IP address to the physical MAC address. Correct answer ARP. তাৰপিছত number 2 question টো আছে, which of the following is used to define style for many web pages? Correct answer hobo external CSS. তাৰপাছত আছে wildcard character that allow finding a match for any single character. The correct answer is underscore. Number 4. তাৰপিছত আছে number D, this is a user defined blueprint. Correct answer hobo class. তাৰপাছত আছে number 2, fill in the blanks 4 marks কাৰণে. This is mainly designed for addressing packets. Eto hobo TCP/IP that is used for designing or addressing packets. Then number B, this tag indicate the beginning or ending of an HTML document. Eto bracket or bhitor HTML. Tarpisot ako HTML closing tag. Ei duta likhile ba HTML likhileo correct dibo pare. Then this command can only be used with DML command like insert, delete, update. Correct answer is TCL. Number D, display only important information by hiding. Answer hobo abstraction. True and false. The ipconfig command is used to display a list of IP address and their corresponding MAC address. This is false. Number B, the number of column denotes cardinality of a table. False, actually degree hoy. Number C, the testing expression contain all the statement we want to execute before entering the loop. False. Number D, a pointer is a variable which stores value of another variable. Answer is false. Then for one word, total 8 questions are there. First question, it is used to define style for a single web page. What it called? Correct answer hobo internal CSS. Number B, it is the process of changing a value from one data type to in another in a programming language. Allow the programmer to or the compiler to interpret a value in a different way. What is it called? Correct answer is typecasting. Number C, it can be used for performing calculation on table values in MySQL. What is it called? Correct answer is operator. Number D, the server maintains a pool of IP address based on a request. It assigned an IP address from the pool to a computer. What is the name of the server here? Correct answer is DHCP server. Then next, these are used to group related content together in a structured manner. What are these called? Correct answer is list. Number F, it represents as 8 group of 4 hexadecimal digits of 16 bits each, where groups are separated by colons. What is it called? Correct answer is IPv6 address. Then number Z, it is a user interface control that serves as a point of connection between the user and the server. What is it called? Correct answer is HTML form. Number 8, it is a programming feature that allow programmer to define behavior of existing operator like plus, minus, into, equal for custom user defined data type. What is it called? Operator overloading. Correct answer will be operator overloading. Then next question, these are for 2 marks. 12 questions are there. What is the use of router? What is web programming? What are the characteristics by which we can determine data type of MySQL? What are the disadvantages of array? Can we declare without accessing the size of an array? Can we declare without accessing the size of an array? Then what are the basic HTML tag used to display the data in a tabular form? What is ARP? What is the use of order by clause in MySQL? What does size of operator means function mean? What is polymorphism? What is void main in C? What are the functions we can do with alter table? What is typecasting? Etu already one word question ot asile hikhini likhi dile choli jabo. Then number 6 ot ase what are the different aggregate function? What are the different aggregate function with example? Aggregate function especially like MySQL chapter পৰা হয় য'ত আছিলে sum, max, mean, these are you can explain these functions. Then number B, draw a flowchart for calculating total number of even numbers from a series of numbers. Then number C, differentiate between caller and callee function, write a small program. It is easy hoy ekebare common question. Tarpisot what are the different types of HTML controls? Actually question to incomplete ase etu hobo lagisile HTML form controls. So that asile ebilak hobo input text input control buttons and all whatever. Then number B, program, common program. Number C, to very common program etu ahibo boli koisilu ahise. Tar pisot ase next MySQL or pora ইয়াত টেবল ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব দিছে তাৰ পাছত টেবলখনৰ নাম প্ৰডাক্ট হ'ব আৰু এইকেইটা কুৱেৰি লিখিব দিছে প্ৰথম কুৱেৰিটো আছে ক্ৰিয়েটেড টেবল প্ৰডাক্ট ওকে টেবলখন ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে 2 মাৰ্কস তাৰ পাছত আইডেন্টিফাই দা প্ৰাইমেৰী কি ইন প্ৰডাক্ট তো প্ৰাইমেৰী কি কোনটো হ'ব জাস্ট ক'ব দিছে পিআৰ কোডটো প্ৰাইমেৰী কি হ'ব তাৰ পাছত লিষ্ট দা প্ৰডাক্ট কোড প্ৰডাক্ট নেম প্ৰাইস in descending order of their product name. So you can write this way: select product, select PR code, P name, PR code comma select P code comma P name comma price from product, order by DESC, then P name. Then number D, add a new column, discount to the table product. So you can write this way: alter table product, add discount int, then done. As position is or the place is not given where you have to add, so directly you can finish the query here. So this is the question paper. So kiman marks akha korisa, kiman marks paba ekhon paperot, write in comment sections. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your future, for your life, and hope we'll meet soon for class 11 or 12 videos. Bye.